Hello guys, today we're going to solve equations by balance method. So when solving equations means you have to find the value of the unknown in the equation that makes it true. So let's try to solve some examples here. First example, you have to solve 3x is equals to 12. So 3x here is a common value for this equation. So let's try to solve it. So here 3x is common in this equation. So what to do is you have to divide both sides of this equation by 3. So that is 3x divided by 3 is equal to 12 divided by 3. So now 3 goes into 3 here, you're left with x, which is equals to 4. Now you can see that solving some equations by balance method is very simple. Professor, let's check if what we solve here is correct. Now let's check. When x is equals to 4, that means that 3 times 4, which is the value for x here, is also equals to 12. So let's try another example and also see that. Second example, you have to solve 10y minus 7 is equals to 27. Now here 10y minus 7 here, we left with 3y, which is equals to 27. What next to do now, you have to divide both sides by 3. So when you say that 3y divided by 3 is equals to 27 divided by 3, 3 cancel 3 here, left with y, which is equals to 3 goes into 27 9 times. So this is the value for the unknown. So let's try to check if what we also did here is correct. Now let's check. When y is equals to 9, that means that 9 times 10 minus 7 is also equals to 27. So let's also try another example and see if we still got the value for the unknown. So now you have to solve 5x minus 4, which is equals to 2x plus 11. What you have to do here now is you have to rearrange this equation, collect like terms to be able to solve it correctly. So what to do now, you're going to subtract 2x from both sides. So you have to subtract 2x from both sides of the equation. So now 5x minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 2x plus 11. Now 5x minus 2x, now we left with 3x here minus 4, which is equal to 2x minus 2x here, cancel each other, so we have 11. Now next you have to add 4 to both sides. Add 4 to both sides of the equation. Now say that 3x minus 4 plus 4 equals 11 plus 4. This is minus 1 plus 4 is equals to 3x, which is equals to now 15. Now you have to divide both sides. Divide both sides by 3. 3 cancel each other here. You left with x, which is equals to 5. So the value for x now is equals to 5. Let's check. when x is equals to 5, on the left hand side, that is, on the left hand side, we say that 5 times 5, 5 times 5 minus 4, which is equal to 25 minus 4 is equals to 21 on the left hand side. On the right hand side now, we say that 2 times 5 plus 11, which is equals to 10 plus 11, we also have 21. It's equals on the left hand side. So both sides of the equation are equal. So what is here now is when you are trying to solve equations, try your best